What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. I got a Weil McLain Ultra 3. Display is blank. You can hear the draft inducer motor, the blower motor. It's discharging, it's running, but my display is blank. What are we gonna do? Check out this easy fix video on how to get your boiler up and running. So in our Mikey Pipes Philanthropy HVAC training facility, we have the Weil McLain Ultra 3. I believe this is the 299 model, but right now the display is blank. My temperature is non-existent. My pressure is reading roughly where it should be, around 12 psi, but my display is blank. We're going to take the front cover off, take a peek under the hood. First, we're going to do a visual inspection to make sure there's nothing out of the ordinary going on. Make sure there's no water resting at the bottom of the unit, making sure that our silencer is connected, making sure all of our wiring is connected. Nothing out of the ordinary. We're going to do a quick little visual inspection of the bottom of the heat exchanger. They are known to develop a hole at the bottom, which would result in a heat exchanger replacement at a minimum, which is typically caused by improper maintenance. Now, if we remove the 4 screws holding the shroud assembly on the front of the unit, we'll be able to swing down our door and expose our U-control. Now, make sure all of our connections are secure. Beautiful. No change on the display. You still hear that fan running. Let's kill power. And we're going to pull out that fuse, that 3 amp fuse. And lo and behold, it's blown. Now, why would this be blown? That's the $1,000,000 question. Don't just start replacing fuses. Figure out what the problem is and solve that. In my particular case, we had a short on the low voltage control wiring. I have multiple heating systems here, all connected, and I had 2 accidentally on at the same time, which blew out the fuse on the U-control. I'm going to put a new 3 amp fuse in there. We're going to turn the power back on, and voila. Please wait. Actually, it's the Model 230. Right now we're in standby mode. Let's turn a call for heat on. Pre-purge. Our target temperature is 140 degrees. We're still in pre-purge. We have some modulation on the blower. The startup process could take a few moments. Status ignition, and there we have that nice flame inside our combustion chamber. Ladies and gentlemen, we're cooking with gas. If you enjoyed this video, let me get your thoughts down in the comment section down below on how it helped you. And the best way you can support this video and this channel is by hitting that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe. I try to drop a video every so often, typically once a week, on the Mikey Pipes HVAC training channel. My name is Mike Dye. It's been a pleasure to create this video with you and share the blown fuse issue on this Weil McLain Ultra 3. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be well, God bless, stay safe.